Hey guys, welcome to the future. You guys know me well, I'm sure. I love talking about the future and future tenses. And today we're going to discuss the difference between will and be going to. All right, so we're going to be talking mainly about the future. How do we talk about the future? Let's get into it. Okay, so we use will, and then sometimes we use shall. That'll come up a little bit later. But mainly we're going to be talking about will. And we use will for predictions. Okay, and a prediction means that we try to guess the future. We try to think what will happen tomorrow, what will happen next year. We try to guess based on my opinion. I predict what will happen in the future. So I'm not a psychic. I have no idea if this is correct or not, but I live in Singapore. Singapore has been quite sunny the last few days, and usually it rains a lot. So I guess, I predict, and I can say, I think it will rain tomorrow. I think it will rain tomorrow. So we want to focus on subject plus will plus a verb. I think it will rain tomorrow. I don't know. That's just my opinion, just my feeling. I have no evidence, no information. I'm just guessing because I can do that. You can say, I think it won't rain tomorrow. I think it will be sunny. We can use those to try to guess the future. All right, so now you guys know. If you don't know, you've been living under a rock. But GameStop, everybody knows about GameStop, right? Now I have a feeling GameStop is over. It went up to like $400, now is down again. So I think GameStop probably won't go up again, right? I think. I have no idea. I'm an English teacher. I'm not a stock trader. I'm not a Wall Street investor. Just my feeling. I think GameStop probably won't go up. Okay, and I use probably, this adverb here, I'm just adding some extra information. If I take that away, it's okay. I think GameStop won't go up. That's fine, same meaning. I think GameStop definitely won't go up. That's a little bit stronger. A little bit stronger. So definitely is stronger than probably. All right, so that's predictions, right? I'm guessing the future. I'm trying to think about what will happen tomorrow, what will happen next year. Moving on. So this one is a little bit strange for me, but it's in the textbook, so I have to teach it, no choice. Future facts. Okay, so often we use present simple to talk about facts, like the sun rises in the east, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Usually we use present simple to talk about facts, but the textbook here is explaining that we can use will to talk about a future fact. So I can say, I will be at work on Monday. I will be at work on Monday. If I was talking, I would just say, I work on Monday, right? I work on Monday. But that's okay. The textbook says I will be at work on Monday. That's okay. I will make some videos next week. I guess that's a fact. That's true. So I think we can say that. But I don't really use this very much, but it's in the book. So if it's in your homework, it's probably this. All right. So moving on, we use will to make instant decisions. Now this is the number one mistake my students make. They say, I will do this, I will do that. Can't. We don't use this to talk about our plans. We don't use this to talk about our arrangements. We use will to talk about decisions. What that means is I think and I speak at the same time. I think and I speak at the same time. So for example, right, the waiter asks me, would you like coffee or tea? Now I'm thinking coffee, tea, right? I'm making that decision at the moment. I decide, I speak almost at the same time. So I say, I will have coffee, right? So maybe I'm deciding, right? I will have coffee. What should I do? Oh, I'm going to, again, we can't do that now, but I'm taking a holiday next year and we are deciding, Japan or Korea? Right? And I'm deciding, I'm doing some research and okay, we will go to Korea, right? We went to Japan last year, so let's go to Korea. So we will go to Korea. We decide, right? So anytime we make a decision, it's will, right? Anytime we make a decision, it's will, right? So that's for instant decisions. All right, moving on. Promises. If I promise something to you, for example, if you comment below and you ask me a question, I will answer it. I will answer your question. I will make that video for you. I promise. All right? So those are promises, right? Maybe I call my daughter calls me, Daddy, what time are you coming? And I say, I'll pick you up after class. I promise, right? So promise and offer, very similar. So let's move on to that, right? So we can make an offer. For example, this one, I will carry those bags for you. I will carry those bags for you. I see you are carrying some heavy bags. Hey, I will carry those for you. I offer to help you, right? Ooh, it's a little bit hot. I'll open the window, right? I will open the window. That's an offer. I'm offering something to you. Oh, I'm a little bit, I'm thirsty, right? Oh, I'll get you something to drink. I will get you something to drink. I'm offering you a drink. All right? And then sometimes if I want to make a suggestion, especially with shall we or shall I can say, shall we get some pizza, right? Shall we get some pizza? Now, I never speak like this, but this is just kind of making a suggestion. Maybe you're hungry, I'm hungry, so I say, shall we get some pizza? How would I say that? I would say, let's, right? Let's get some pizza. So shall we is equal to let's. So I would say, let's get some pizza. There you go. So that's 1 or 5 ways that we use will. There's actually many, many more. But now we're going to move on to going to, right over here. All right. So this might be confusing because there's 2 things on the same, right? Predictions, no evidence, predictions with evidence. So if I see something that is going to happen, I see this picture or I see this picture, I would use going to guess, right? I would use going to guess what is going to happen, right? So I look at this picture, I look up, I see the dark clouds. It's going to rain, right? The wind is coming. You know, sometimes you can smell the rain, right? So all of those things are evidence. All of those things are evidence. So it is going to rain. I can see that it's going to rain. All right. Now, if we think about this guy, all right, he's walking. Oh no, he better be careful. He is going to fall. He is going to fall. So really, really important. We always want to use a form of be, am, is, are, plus going to, plus a verb. It is going to rain. He is going to fall, right? So that's not good. But the difference here, right? This is a prediction. This is with will is just my feeling. I think it will rain. I have no idea it will rain or not, right? But here I look up, I see the clouds, I smell it, I feel it, maybe a little bit coming down already. It's going to rain, okay? So that's how we do that. Okay, moving on. Number 2. This is how we talk about the future. Before I said, number 1 mistake. My students use will to talk about their future plans. Don't do that. That's bad. Don't do that. Here we're using plans and intentions, something that I want to do, something that I have planned to do. We're going to use going to here. Okay, so I'm going to eat pizza for dinner. I already decided. I decided here, right? Pizza or chicken. Okay, I will eat pizza. Once I decide, it becomes a plan. It becomes my intention. Maybe I don't know where I'm going to eat pizza. Maybe I don't know what time, but that's not important. It's my plan. It's something that I want to do. So I am going to eat pizza for dinner. I am going to eat pizza for dinner. All right. Now, just like in the past, I said coffee or tea, I'll have coffee, right? And then maybe my friend comes to join me at the table. Hey, sorry I'm late. What are you going to drink? Oh, I'm going to have a coffee because I already decided. So now it's my plan. Then later the waiter will bring the coffee for me, okay? So that's the difference between a plan and a decision, okay? So this last part, I don't often see this. I don't often see this in textbooks, so this is kind of a bonus for you guys. But the future in the past. The future in the past. Does that make sense? It kind of makes sense because we're thinking about the past, something I was important, something I was going to do, but maybe I didn't do it. Okay, something I was going to do. It was my plan. It was a past plan. And usually this past plan didn't happen. Usually this past plan did not happen. So I was going to buy GameStop. Not really, I wish, but no. I was going to buy GameStop, but I didn't, right? So maybe I told my friends, yeah, I'm on Reddit. I'm gonna buy some GameStop. I'm gonna buy it. And then I go to buy and then I decide no, right? I didn't do it, right? But it was my plan. I was going to buy GameStop, but I didn't, okay? Or for example, oh, I'm so sorry. I was going to call you. I planned to call you, but I forgot. So it was my past plan. I was going to call you, but I didn't call you. So anytime you want to talk about something that you didn't do, that you had planned to do, we would use going to. Again, we want to focus on using was, right? Not am, is, are. We want to use the past form of be. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, as always, put them down in the comments, and I promise I will help you. I will answer your questions. So thanks a lot, and see you again.